Mr. Speaker, Ashley Smith tragically died at the Grand Valley Prison for Women when she suffocated herself just weeks before she was to be released. Rather than receiving treatment, this mentally unstable teenager spent most of her sentence in segregation. Segregation cannot be confused with treatment. This government has ignored several reports calling for mental health strategy in our prisons. When will this government take action and implement a mental health strategy in Canadian prisons?
The Honourable Parliamentary Secretary to the Minister of Public Safety.
Well, thank you, Mr. Speaker, and I want to extend my sincere condolences to Ashley Smith's family. We do take the death of an inmate very seriously, and the loss of life at any time is tragic. This incident is extremely disturbing and of serious concern. I expect it will be addressed in an expedient, efficient, and sensitive manner, after which appropriate action will be taken. And, Mr. Speaker, I would like to say that the Commissioner has appointed Diane Brown as the new Warden of Grand Valley Institution for Women, and she will commence her duties on Monday, November the 26th.
Very good.